Good day, my name is Laura Garzon, Reverse Logistic Process Tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gómez, Industria Logistic Technology, Octubre 2022. Éxito Store are recognized as one of the large chain stores where reverse logistic management and social responsibility are some of its main activities. Regarding the management of return logistics, it is a company that specializes in distribution o producción al orderly and quality manner. Return logistics responsible waste management involves separating, repeating, identifying, and disposing of everything can be recorded and caused correctly. Society responsibility. The use of biodegradable and reusable bags. Integral development of earth childhood. It sheds or warrant the survival and optimal development of the biological, psychosocial, and cultural potential of children. Thank you. Goodbye.